A 24-year-old with zero experience made $1,000 online last month. No degree, no skills, no investment, just one simple system. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how he did it and how you can copy it starting today. But first, warning. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, leave now. This is not that. What I'm about to show you is a real proven system that takes real action. But if you're willing to follow these exact steps, your life could look completely different 30 days from now. In this video, you'll discover the exact 4-step system to make your first $1,000 online this month. The tools you need, all free. The skills required, zero. The time investment, just 2 hours per day. And before I show you step 4, I'm going to reveal the single biggest mistake that stops 99% of beginners from ever making $1 online. Stay till the end. Welcome to Wealth Flip. New video every single day. Let's get straight into it. Step number 1, pick one high demand skill. Not 5, not 3, 1. Here's why this matters. Most beginners try to do everything at once and master nothing. The people making $1,000 per month online all started by mastering just one skill first. The fastest skills to learn in 2026 are AI content writing, social media management, video editing, and graphic design. Of these 4, AI content writing is the fastest to learn and the easiest to sell. Here's proof. Last month, a complete beginner spent just 3 days learning how to write content using AI tools. By day 4, they had their first Fiverr client. By day 30, they had made $1,100. 3 days of learning, 30 days of earning. Pick AI content writing, go to YouTube, spend 3 days watching free tutorials, and you'll know everything you need to start making money. Welcome to Wealth Flip. New video every single day. Let's get straight into it. Now here's where it gets really interesting, and because step 2 is where 90% of people make a critical mistake that costs them weeks of wasted time. Pay close attention. Step number 2, build a simple portfolio in 24 hours. Before you can get clients, you need to show them what you can do. But here's the thing. You don't need real clients to build a portfolio. You create fake samples. Pick 3 different types of businesses: a restaurant, a fitness brand, and a tech company. Use AI tools to write sample blog posts, social media captions, and product descriptions for each one. Design simple mockups using Canva, completely free. Save them as PDFs. Congratulations, you now have a professional looking portfolio that you built in one day with 0 real clients. This is exactly what successful freelancers do when they're starting out. Nobody starts with a full portfolio. They build one before they have clients, and it works every single time. In just a moment, I'm going to show you step 3, which is the exact script I used to land clients in less than 24 hours. But before that, let me show you the tool that makes everything 10 times faster and easier. Before step 3, you need to know about this tool. It's called Claude AI, and it's hands down the most powerful writing assistant available in 2026. Here's what makes it special. You give Claude a simple instruction. Write me a 500-word blog post about healthy eating for a restaurant targeting busy professionals. And in 10 seconds, you have a professional quality article. Edit it slightly. Add your personal touch. Deliver it to the client. You just completed a $50 job in 15 minutes. That's $200 per hour. This tool alone is what separates people making $100 per month online from people making $5,000 per month. It's free to start. Go to claude.ai right now and try it yourself. Step number 3, land your first client in 24 hours. This is where most people get scared and do nothing. Don't be like most people. Here's the exact message I want you to send to 20 businesses on Instagram or LinkedIn today. Copy this exactly. Hi, I noticed your business could benefit from more engaging content online. I specialize in helping businesses like yours attract more customers through professional writing and social media content. I'd love to offer you a free sample piece of content. No strings attached, just so you can see the quality of my work. Interested? Send this to 20 businesses, offer a free sample, show them what you can do. Out of 20 messages, statistically 3 to 5 will respond positively. Convert just 2 into paying clients at $200 per month each, and you've already made $400. That's almost halfway to your $1,000 goal in the very first week. Now I promise to reveal the single biggest mistake that stops 99% of beginners. Here it is, and it might surprise you completely. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting until they feel ready. Let me say that again. Waiting until they feel ready. Nobody ever feels 100% ready to start. The 24-year-old who made $1,000 last month didn't feel ready. The freelancer making $8,000 per month today didn't feel ready when they started. Readiness is a myth. Action is what creates results. The difference between people who make money online and people who don't is not skill, it's not experience, it's not talent. It's simply that one group took imperfect action and one group waited for perfect conditions that never came. Take imperfect action today. Step number 4, scale to $1,000 this month. Here's the simple math. You need $1,000 in 30 days. Option A, find 5 clients paying $200 per month each. That's $1,000. Option B, find 10 clients paying $100 per month each. That's $1,000. Option C, complete 21 time projects at $50 each. That's $1,000. All 3 are completely achievable in 30 days starting from zero. The fastest path is option A, 5 monthly clients at $200 each. Here's how you get there. Week 1, send 100 outreach messages and land 2 clients. Week 2, deliver amazing work and get referrals. Week 3, use referrals to land 2 more clients. Week 4, close your 5th client and hit $1,000. Simple, achievable, proven. The only missing ingredient is you taking action today. Before I wrap up, I want to give you one bonus tip that took me months to figure out, and it will cut your time to $1,000 in half. Stay with me for 60 more seconds. Bonus tip, specialize immediately. Instead of offering general writing services, niche down. Instead of saying I write content, say I write content specifically for real estate agents, or I write content specifically for fitness coaches, or I write content specifically for restaurants. When you specialize, you can charge 2 to 3 times more than generalists. A general content writer charges $30 per article. A real estate content specialist charges $100 per article, same skill, same AI tools, 3 times the income, just because of one word, specialist. Pick your niche today. So there you have it, the complete 4-step system to make your first $1,000 online this month, even with 0 skills. Step 1, pick AI content writing as your skill. Step 2, build a portfolio in 24 hours using AI. Step 3, send 20 outreach messages today. Step 4, scale to 5 clients at $200 each. Bonus, specialize to triple your rates. Now, here's your challenge. Close this video. Open a new tab, go to Fiverr or Instagram, send your first outreach message in the next 10 minutes. Not tomorrow, not next week, the next 10 minutes. Comment below with the word started when you send your first message. I want to celebrate with you. Smash that like button if this video gave you value and subscribe to Wealth Flip, because tomorrow I am dropping a video on the exact AI tools that the top 1% of online earners use. And most of them are completely free. See you tomorrow.